Happy morning, childrens. Welcome to online class. Today I take the topic mass and weight, and another one apparent weight. First of all, mass and weight. Mass and weight. First, mass. What is mean by mass? Mass is the basic property of a body. Mass is the basic property of a body. Mass of a body is defined as the quantity of a matter contained in the body. The quantity of a matter contained in the body. That is mass. Its SI unit is kilogram. Its SI unit is kilogram. Short form kg. That is mass. Mass is the basic property of a body. Mass of a body is defined as the quantity of a matter contained in the body. Its SI unit is kilogram. Short form kg. And next one, weight. What is mean by weight? Weight means weight of a body is defined as the gravitational force exerted on a body due to the gravity. That is weight. Weight of a body is defined as the gravitational force exerted on a body due to the gravity. That is weight. Weight equal to gravitational force. Weight equal to gravitational force. Gravitational force, mass into acceleration due to gravity. Mass into acceleration due to gravity. Mass short form m. Acceleration due to gravity short form small g. Small g equal to acceleration due to gravity for Earth at sea level equal to 9.8 ms power minus 2. 9.8 ms power minus 2. That is weight. Weight is a vector quantity. Weight is a vector quantity. Direction of weight is always towards the center of the earth. SI unit of weight is Newton. SI unit of weight is Newton. Weight of a body varies from one place to another place on the earth, since it depends on the acceleration due to gravity of the earth, which is not the same at all places on the earth. Weight of a body is more at the poles than at the equatorial region. The value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon is 1.625 ms power minus 2. Mass weight difference. If a person whose mass is 60 kg stand on the surface of the earth, his weight would be 588 Newton. If the same person goes to the surface of the moon, he would weight only 97.5 Newton, but his mass remains the same 60 kg on both the earth and the moon. So mass earth and moon same, weight different. Weight 588 Newton, 60 kg person, and 97.5 Newton at same 60 kg person in moon. And next one, apparent weight. The weight that you feel to possess is not the same as your actual weight is called apparent weight. The weight that you feel to possess is not the same as your actual weight called apparent weight. Apparent weight is the weight of the body occurred due to the actions of gravity and other external force acting on the body. That is apparent weight. Let us consider a person of mass m who is traveling in lift, the actual weight of the person is W equal to mg. The actual weight of the person is W equal to mg, which is acting vertically downwards. The reaction force exerted by the lift surface are taken as apparent weight is acting vertically upwards. Let us see different possibility of the apparent weight or of the person that arise depending on the motion of the lift, upward or downward, which are given in the table. Case 1. Lift is moving upwards with an acceleration A. Lift moving upwards. R minus W equal to force net. Force net you apply MA. W you apply mg. R equal to mg plus ma. M common. So m open bracket g plus a closing bracket. R greater than W. The apparent weight R is greater than the actual weight. Case 2. Lift is moving downward with an acceleration A. Lift moving downwards. W minus R equal to net force equal to ma. R equal to W minus ma. W you apply mg. mg minus ma. R equal to m open bracket g minus a close the bracket. R less than weight. Apparent weight is lesser than the actual weight. Case 3. Lift is rest. Acceleration 0. R equal to W. R equal to mg. R equal to W. Apparent weight equal to actual weight. Case 4. Lift is falling down freely. Acceleration equal to g. A equal to g equal. R equal to m open bracket g minus g close the bracket. R equal to 0. Apparent weight is equal to 0. 4 cases. First of all, lift is moving upward. Apparent weight is greater than actual weight. Lift is moving downwards. Apparent weight is less than actual weight. Lift is rest. Apparent weight and the actual weight equal. Lift is falling down freely. Apparent weight is equal to 0. Next one, weightlessness. Have you gone to any park and taken a ride in a roller coaster or in a giant wheel? During the fast downward and upward movement, how did you feel? It's amazing. You actually feel as if you are falling freely without having any weight. This is due to the phenomena of weightlessness. Next one, weightlessness of the astronauts. Some of us believe that the astronauts in the orbiting space station do not experience any gravitational force of the earth, so they float. But this is absolutely wrong. Astronauts are not floating but falling freely around the earth due to the Hubble orbital velocity. Since space station and astronauts have equal acceleration. They are under free falling condition. R equal to 0 refer to the case 4 in lift. Hence, both the astronauts and the space station are in the state of weightlessness. Thank you, my dear students.